In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Hyros using a webhook. To get started, log into Hyros and navigate to the integration section. Once you're there, find Typeform in the list of available integrations and open it. Hyros will generate a unique webhook URL for you. This URL is what allows Typeform to send form submission data directly into Hyros. So make sure you copy it exactly as shown. It's a good idea to double check that you've copied the full link with no missing characters or extra spaces, because even a small error can prevent the connection from working properly. Next, switch over to your Typeform account. Open the specific form you want to connect, then go into the settings area and look for webhooks. This is where Typeform manages outgoing data connections for that form. Once you're in the webhook section, click the option to add a new webhook. You'll see a field where you can paste the URL you copied from Hyros. Paste the Hyros webhook URL into that field carefully, then save it so the integration can be recognized by Typeform. After that, test the connection. This step is important because it confirms that Typeform can successfully communicate with Hyros before you rely on the setup for live tracking. Run the test from within Typeform, and if everything is configured correctly, the test should go through without any issues. Once the test is successful, make sure the webhook status is switched to active. If the webhook is saved but not active, Typeform won't actually send submission events to Hyros, so this final toggle is essential. The last thing to verify is that the Hyros tracking script is installed on the page where your form is hosted. This part matters because the webhook sends the form data, but the tracking script helps Hyros associate that submission with the correct visitor and ad journey. If the form is embedded on a website or landing page, check that the Hyros script is present in that page's code and loading correctly. Without that script in place, attribution may be incomplete or inaccurate. Once all of that is done, your Typeform and Hyros connection should be properly set up. From there, form submissions can flow into Hyros for tracking and attribution. Take a moment to review each part of the setup if anything doesn't appear to work right away, especially the webhook URL, the active status, and the tracking script installation.